This is the third episode of my 100 healthy recipes. Today I will introduce to you an oatmeal breakfast recipe. Do you often suffering from constipation? This oatmeal breakfast recipe is beneficial for relieving constipation, maintaining regular bowel movements, enhancing brain function, and protecting vision. After taking it for a week, my body feels much smoother and lighter. And it's really super simple. It only takes 3 minutes to make it. First, we prepare 50 grams of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritious and filling breakfast option that can help you stay full and satisfied throughout the morning. Add appropriate amount of milk and salt and stir evenly. Heat it over high heat first. Add 2 eggs after boiling. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Additionally, eggs are a good source of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. Cook until thickened, then turn off the heat. Bananas can help us digest and keep the intestines smooth. Cut it into slices. If you don't like eating cold bananas in the morning, you can cook them with oatmeal. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Finally, sprinkle some nuts. This is a very comprehensive and nutritious breakfast. It is simple to make, delicious, filling, relieves constipation, and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Follow my channel. I will bring you 100 healthy recipes this year. See you next time.